In this chapter, we are going to explain about HTML styles. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The style attribute has following syntax. The tag name, the word style, equal sign, double quotes, property, and the value, semicolon, quotes, double quotes. You will learn about cascading style sheets later on. So through this style attribute, we can do a lot of things. You have seen in this example, in this body tag, I have changed the background color of the page to yellow. If I will run this program, so you can see the background color of HTML document has been changed to yellow, because in the code, in a style, I have mentioned the color should be yellow. We will check another color. So I have mentioned it is a red color. I will save this document and I execute this file. So you can see the document color has been changed to red because I have mentioned this in the style. Background color is red. Same way, you can apply this style in other tags. I will introduce this style here in h1 tag. Style equal double quotes, then I will put background color yellow, semicolon, double quotes. So if I will save this document, now you will see the background color of this tag becomes yellow. So same way you can apply the styles in HTML tags. So let's see. I will change I will put a style here, style background color background color, I will put it here, blue. Sorry, I have to remove it from here. I will save it. So you can see it became blue here. Even you can change the font size also. In this paragraph I will put it style font size I put it 300% semicolon double quotes. Equal, sorry, this should be equal. Okay, now it's perfect. So we will execute this one. You can see now this paragraph, through the styling, the font size has been changed to 300%. So you can use the different type of styles and you can apply to different tags.